Hello, my name is Chef Marco. I'm going to be making a ham and cheese sandwich. Okay. So first, we lay down one piece of bread. And then after, we get this.
What is that called? Does anybody know what that is? Mayonnaise. And what do you do with the mayonnaise?
We spread it.
Nice. You are very good at spreading. He's spreading all the way to the edge of the bread.
Good job, Marco.
And what do you do next?
Next, we take a little bit of mustard, then spread it.
Oh, it's not the job of the audience to tell them what you like and don't like.
And then after that, you take some ham, put it on a side, then take another piece of ham, and then another piece of ham.
Wow.
And then you're done. Then after that, you put a cheese on top, and then you put a bread, then you're done.
You made a whole sandwich? Wow. And then do you just look at it, or do you do something with it?
You eat it. Eat it.
Can you take a bite and let us know how it tastes? Kind of tricky with that cord there. How does it taste? Is it? I kind of like to vote. Is it 1 thumbs up or 2 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up. Let's give Chef Marco, our first chef, a big round of applause. Yay!